Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 9th, 2021. Let's talk about ILUS real quick. I know you guys may have thought I forgot about ILUS, but I didn't. Yeah, you guys can see it. I still got the price prediction on my chart. I want to talk about it today because I want to know and show you all that this could still be a buy in the market in ILUS. So before I get started, if you guys appreciate my videos, my price predictions, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I'm not here to confuse you. One thing that I realized of being in the market is that the only benefit that we have is just by looking at the price. Price is the ultimate deciding factor as to where the market's trying to go. We don't have to worry about earnings reports. We don't have to worry about some type of news catalyst that's going to come out about a particular company. It doesn't matter because what you and I do with our money is not determined based off those things. It's based off of buying and selling. If the majority of the market is buying, then price will go up. If the majority of the market is selling, price will go down, right? This is the equilibrium of the markets. So while there's a lot of confusion going on in the stock space and the stock market, namely, I think that there's a purpose for that. It's to keep us guessing. It's to keep us confused. We need to pull back all of that erroneous information and just look at what the people are trying to do with the money. So make sure you guys hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel because you guys can see it. Now, look at this. November the 8th, right? I did a video in ILUS and I was telling you all then that I was looking for the price to go up, right? Now take a look. The market really hasn't been going up in ILUS. And you might be saying, well, that's not a good sign. Price has been going down. Well, not really. Price has been majorly just been trading sideways, right? Let me circle it. If the market in ILUS truly was weak, price would not be trading and maintaining its price elevation above this ascending line, right? It wouldn't be doing that if the market truly was weak in ILUS. But instead, the market has been elevated and has been keeping itself propped above this ascending line. So what I'm going to do first is extend out that line. That's going to be important for us because if we ever see ILUS price break this ascending line, yeah, don't expect the price to go up. You need to cut the play and move on to the next opportunity. And the market just did not come to fruition on moving up in price. It goes that way. But so far, the market is still determining that it's willing to prop up ILUS price above that ascending line. So that's first. We're still good to see price go up based off that alone. Now, this is where the market restriction is in ILUS. All the way up there around 50 cents, right? And you guys can see it. That restriction point in ILUS was right around here. Okay, this is where we're seeing the restriction. So it goes all the way back since 2013. Okay, this market in ILUS has not been trading at this 40-cent level since 2013. This is where the support and restriction area is. I mean, take a look. Let me try and see if I can zoom in on it. Okay, right here. This is where the market was holding support in ILUS back in 2013. Right there. And then we broke it to the downside here. February 20, 2013 is where the market in ILUS broke it. So we really need to see the market prop up around 40 cents, right? We definitely need to see that come to fruition. So let's see if that's the case. Let me take this all the way back. Okay. And let's take it here. Okay. Let me show you something. This is the 3-day time frame in the market in ILUS, right? Now, if the market in ILUS truly was weak, we would not have seen this 3-day price bar right there. If the market really was weak, but instead, the market confirmed that the buyers were willing to prop up price alongside that ascending line, right? It kind of resembles this 3-day price bar, doesn't it? It kind of resembles this 3-day price bar, doesn't it? And look at what happened after we received those type of price bars. Price goes up, right? So it lets me know that even though the market was selling around 36 to 45 cents, the buyers are still trying to move this price up higher, right? So we're looking good from a 3-day perspective. Well, what about a 2-day, right? Check this out on a 2-day perspective. Market went down on December the 1st. This 2-day price bar, and then right here, the next one, we saw price go up. The buyers are still here, right? They're trying to keep the price elevated. This is the market information that so many people don't understand. They want you to understand EMAs and stochastics and RSIs. RSI don't give us this information. Only understanding price bars and volume will give us that amount of information. So I'm still looking for the price to go up. Yep, I am. Now, am I massively strong? No, I'm not. Am I feeling that the price is going to be massively bullish and we can see price hit $1? No, I don't really see that, right? You guys can see that from our last price of this, we got around 60 cents. Okay. We're still going to hold that, but it's going to be a while. This market is taking its slow, methodical time. It's not going to be like one of those swift movements. Obviously, you guys can see it, but we're still intact. The market is still upholding to this ascending line. The market is still reflecting that buyers are still stepping in, even though we're trading up here towards 35, 40, 45 cents. They're still here. The market is not necessarily selling out right there, because if so, then we would have saw the price on these couple of 2-day price bars, 3-day price bars, see the price trying to break this ascending line, but instead we're not getting that. Okay. So these are the reasons as to why I'm still going to continue on with the price prediction of ILUS going up. I'm still looking for the price to go up. Now, if we see another opportunity that the market in ILUS gets rejected at 50 cents, right? If we see the market get rejected again at 50 cents, it's going to take us longer for us to hit 60, right? Look for the market to do this. So right now, we saw the market get rejected at 50. We're coming down, testing this ascending line. We're going to come back up, test 50 cents. We might get it rejected again. And then on doing so, we need to see the market come back down and test this ascending line. And then we might get that breakout. This is what we need to see. Because if we get this, we come up, market gets rejected at 50 and we break it, we know what we need to do. Right? We know what we need to do. Cut the play and try to get back in at a lower price, especially if we see this market hold 30 cents, right? If the buyers still step in around 30 cents, then the market is consolidating, and it's going to be a longer term before us really see ILUS price go up. Okay. So I'm not going to alter the price prediction. I'm still looking for the market in ILUS to give us some upward price move. Nothing else outside of that. Until I see the price break that ascending line, then we need to come back in and talk. All right. But until then, this is what I'm looking forward to. All right. Now, this is your turn, though. You don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe the chart. I mean, you might see something totally different. You might be utilizing some type of other software, some type of indicator that gives you the bell and the whistle, and it tells you ahead of time where the market's going to go. Well, go ahead and tell the subscribers on this channel, what is your price prediction then? What are you looking forward to in the next month for ILUS? Where's the market headed? Drop the prediction right now in the comment section and let us know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.